Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very special video comprised of my poetry and my prayers for the state of Qatar on the occasion of Yawm al-Watni, or the National Day of the State of Qatar, 18th December 2023. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First in English and subsequently at the end in Arabic, inshallah. Qatar, a tiny Gulf state blessed with oil and gas, blessed with a caring and loving Amir. Qatar, a peace-loving state. For peace efforts, Qatar has proved that the size of the state does not matter. What matters the most is the strategic doctrine and the strategic culture and the will of the people and the leadership of Qatar. May Allah bless Qatar with peace, progress and prosperity. May Allah bless the people of Qatar with peace, stability, security and success. And may Allah bless the Amir of Qatar with health and happiness forever. Ameen, summa ameen. Ya Rabbul Alameen. And now in Arabic. Barakallah fi Qatar. As-salam wal taqaddum wal azdahar. Barakallah fi Ahl Qatar. As-salam wal istiqrar wal amn wal nihaj wal nijah. Barakallah fi Amir Qatar. As-sihha wal sa'ada ila al-abd. Ameen. Ya Rabbul Alameen. Shukran jazilan Sayyidi. Shukran jazilan Hazratukum. Allah yahfzuka.